All right, what's going on, everyone? This is Team Wallace new listing. We are at 2903 36th Avenue West, Bradenton, Florida. This is a duplex. It's a half duplex. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath with the potential to be a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. You've got the carport. Got a fully fenced-in backyard out back, so you can check it out. We'll check it out in just a minute. Now, as you walk into this home, this front room here has been closed in to give you more added living space. So that's why this could become a 3rd bedroom at some point. You've got your laundry inside here with a closet already set up. So this easily could be converted into another bedroom. Just a little bit of work where maybe you frame out a door or whatnot here and see what you've got to do there. And then have this be the entryway in. The other 2 bedrooms over this direction are going to be both suites. They both have a full bath in them. The square footage of this home is 1,802 square feet under air. So this will be one of the bedrooms. And this bathroom is actually set up for, it's got a large shower. And you've got a walk-in closet in this bedroom as well. There's a lot of space in this home, actually. It's listed at $185,000. The address is 2903 36th Avenue West, Bradenton, Florida. All right, check out the backyard. It's fenced in. You've got a little storage shed out back. The other bedroom's going to be over here. It also has a full bath in it as well. So another suite-like room. And then here's a view of the kitchen. New paint, new carpet. This is in great condition. Again, it's listed at $185,000. The address is 2903 36th Avenue West, Bradenton, Florida, 34205. So if you have any questions, just give me a call. Number's 941-536-4351. Or you can email me at adamw4homes@kw.com. Best bet is to just give me a call or shoot me a text. That number is 941-536-4351. Thanks, guys. Have an awesome day.